5 Easy Tips for a Gorgeous Garden. Start by choosing the right plants for your space. Consider the amount of sunlight and water the plants will need, as well as the size and shape of your garden. Don't forget to prep your soil before planting. Add compost or other organic matter to enrich the soil and help your plants thrive. Use mulch to conserve water and suppress weeds. Not only will it help your garden look neat and tidy, but it will also protect your plants' roots and keep them healthy. Water your plants deeply, but don't overdo it. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other problems. Instead, aim to water your plants deeply once a week, or more often if necessary. Finally, don't forget to prune and deadhead your plants regularly. This will encourage new growth and help your garden look its best. With these simple tips, you'll have a gorgeous garden in no time.